Hello everyone, how are you? Today in this video we will discuss about the Houston wage and our attorney. Okay, now we will discuss about their brief explanation. Under the umbrella of employment law, a wage and our lawyer focuses on the labor laws that governs employee pay rates and the hours they can lawfully work. The attorneys of Feldman have extensive expenses representing clients in employment law matters, including wage and hour claims. We represent employers and employees, so we thoroughly understand all sides of how these cases work. In examples, now we'll discuss about what are the examples of wage and hours violations. Okay, some of the most common wages and hours violation made by employers in Texas includes failures. Number one is the failures to pay the proper wage of overtime, which is a time and a half for any amount of time worked over 40 hours in a week. Second one is the failure to pay at least minimum wage for covered non-exempt employees. Next one is the improper classification of an employee that results in incorrect pay. Next one is the failure to pay wage, sales commissions and or bonuses due. False reporting or recording of work hours, requiring employees to work through breaks, not allowing paid sick leave, using a tip pool to pay non-tipped employees. If any of these situations have happened to you at work, you have the right to seek compensation for the wages you are on. Awake and our lawyer can help you file a lawsuit against your employer. The next one is the state and federal labor laws. Many wage and hours laws are federally mandated. The Fair Labor Standard Act (FLSA) sets the minimum requirement for wages and hours, but each state can set its own higher standard. Employers are obligated to adhere to both the federal and state hours and wage laws. Next is what to do if you think your rights have been violated. If you think you have been paid unfairly, forced to work unfair hours, documents as much as possible. Keep a journal and record the dates and times you were forced to work overtime without pay, required to work without clocking in, or any other such violation. Keep pay stubs and other records to show any inequities. Contact the Houston Wakes and Hours Flights of Feldman to discuss your options. Next one is the what to do if an employee accuses you of a wage and hour violation. If an employee accuses you of a wage or hour violation, collect whatever documents you can showing that you paid the employees what they deserved and that the hours they worked were legitimate and legal. Then contact the Houston Employment Lawyers of Feldman to discuss your opinions. Next one is the why choose Feldman for your case. Wages and lawsuits can be complex, which is why you need an experienced employment attorney on your side. Feldman focuses its practice and employment law, handling numerous cases with successful outcomes. We represent employers and employees in wage and hour disputes, which gives us insight into both sides of these cases. At Feldman, we fight unwaveringly for our clients' rights, contact a student to schedule a consultation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel, and if you think we will discuss all about the hostel wage and hours attorney, then subscribe our channel for more these types of videos.